Hi guys! So I am currently prepping some of the food for the Friendsgiving tomorrow. It's not till 5:30 tomorrow, so I'm actually going to do a good bulk of it tomorrow late morning, afternoon. But tonight I'm probably going to make, for sure going to make the deviled eggs, which I'm working on now. And I'm going to prep the green bean casserole and probably the corn pudding because all of that stuff can be just cooked tomorrow. And then tomorrow I'll have to do some roasted veggies, some gravy, and I think that's it. And then other people are bringing stuff. We do have someone who's coming who's vegan, so I am going to make vegan gravy for them. Wish me luck. I hope it's good. And we have some other vegan things for them, but I'm making roasted vegetables and things. But tonight, again, we're going to make green bean casserole, corn pudding, and deviled eggs. And I just have the eggs here. They already hard-boiled for like 14 minutes. And then now I'm just cutting them in half, peeling, cutting them in half, and then throwing the yolks into a bowl. And then I'm going to mix in some ingredients to make the insides. But that's where we're at, and I will update you in a little bit because I just got some peeling to do. It kind of looks like that right now, and then we have our egg halves just sitting and waiting. Now I'm just going to put the insides back inside the egg. Alright, and here they are. And you just sprinkle paprika on top. I might wait to do that until the morning. But basically, they're done. Started on the green bean casserole. Someone is hearing the cans and thinks that it's for him. I have to give him a treat in a little bit. And I'm just gonna wrap this and put it in the kitchen. And this one is getting a treat because he thinks all these can noises were for him. Stay tuned for tomorrow when I'm gonna be baking the rest of this because we cleaned this whole apartment and my back hurts and I just am ready for bed tonight. So we'll do what we need to tomorrow, but this is going to be covered and going in the fridge, and that's it. See you tomorrow. Hi everyone, it is the next day. Ham is in the oven. I'm about to make corn pudding because I went and got eggs because I ran out yesterday. So let's go ahead and make corn pudding, and then I'm going to take a shower and then make the rest of the stuff. So yeah, but good morning, and today's Friendsgiving Day. I love hosting. I'm so excited. Corn pudding is so easy. I'm literally just using a recipe from my aunt. 1 can of corn, 1 egg, half a cup of milk, 3 to 4 spoons of sugar, and then you just cook it until it's a golden brown, probably like 10-15 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I think corn pudding is a very southern dish, definitely from it's something I've always had. Okay, it looks like goopy corn slosh, but it's actually so good because of the sweet corn. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the oven because it bakes at the same temperature as the ham. But I'm just gonna have a separate timer on my phone for this for about 10-15 minutes, and then I'm gonna check it. I think I cut myself off earlier, but corn pudding I think is a southern dish. Like I think some people call it corn casserole or whatever. This is like a sweet sort of thing. I don't think a lot of people in California would have this. My boyfriend even was like, what in the hell are you making? So I love it because I like corn and I like sweet corn. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw the green bean casserole in too. Look at that. Multitasking. So remember we refrigerated this. In the oven it goes. Wow, I can do 2 timers now. I didn't know I could do that before. How exciting. Okay, green bean casserole is in. We're gonna cover it with more crispy fried onions when it gets out. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of these dishes away, put what I can in the dishwasher, probably check on the corn pudding, and then take a shower and get ready. So I will see you guys when I do that. I'm so sad because I had to put this table because of all the people that are coming. Also, we have a million candles lit, but I had to get rid of my coffee table, so my Christmas decorations aren't there, but I have a few. I don't know what to do with my bar cart. Well, there are gonna be people here, but that's what it's looking like right now. Also, why don't we move my little Christmas card together to Yay! 24 days till Christmas. How exciting. It's already December. Can't believe it. I literally cannot believe it's already December. Okay, so I have my outfit on. I need to do my makeup and my hair, but this is my outfit. So far, I'm probably gonna add a few accessories. We are doing it in my home and it is a little warm in here. So I wanted to do something with sleeves, breathable, because the oven's gonna be on. So good news, guys! My college football team made it to the Final Four. Who knew? I went to a little small private school and they made it to the Final Four, which we could make it to the championships. That's pretty cool. So I'm excited about that. Everything needs to cook longer because it's all in the oven at the same time, so it's taking forever. Unfortunately, I only have Christmas plates and Christmas cups. So it's gonna be a little Friendsgiving Christmas, I don't know, bonanza up in here. I was looking online for fun drinks to make. I found one that's like a white grape vodka thing. So I'm going to make that. Ham is done. We just let this sit here for 10. Corn pudding is done. Green bean casserole needs a little more time. And now we can start on the roasted vegetables. I'm gonna double this up, but it looks good. All right, so here's the punch doubled up. The cranberries are floating, which I figured would happen, but it tastes good and that's all that matters. So that one's done. I'm gonna wait to make the second one. I need to clean this pot, finish up some of these dishes. As I said, all this stuff is done. Now I just have some veggies to roast and I need to make cornbread and that'll be it. And then I have to put my makeup on and we'll be good to go. Right, Caesar? He said right. Hi guys, so it's a couple days later after the Friendsgiving. It went really well, had a lot of fun, have a lot of leftovers. Today I'm actually going to Grinchmas at Universal, so I'm so excited. I have a pass, so we're heading up to Universal this afternoon, and our goal is to meet the Grinch, but we want to try some of the Christmas stuff and get a cute pic. So I have a little Christmas-esque outfit on. I have little bow earrings, and then I have, you can't see my full outfit, but I basically have this like sweater dress and a turtleneck and boots on. I'll show you everything. And then I also have my Grinch backpack, which I'll show you in a minute. So here's the full fit: tights, dress, maroon turtleneck, and then boots. I'm super excited to go. I can't wait. I've been wanting to go. I also hope to catch the Five Nights at Freddy's. They had the animatronics there, the costumes, so I hope that we catch those. They might already be on because I think it goes for Halloween, but the movie's pretty big, so they might still have them. But that's the plan for today. Trying not to spend too much money, but we have a pass, parking is paid for, so we just gotta get there, and once we get there, we're just gonna be hanging out. And we're gonna get some food before we go so that we don't spend $100 on food there. So I don't have like Grinch ears. I wish I did, but let's go to Universal. What is playing right now? Is this on your Spotify Wrapped? Close your eyes and you fall asleep to the sound of a heartbeat. We love Five Nights at Freddy's in this car. It's dead as fuck here, but Carly Rae's killing it up there. Look at the Christmas tree. You need a sweater? Hey, show people your headband. What are you wearing today? Frog. It's giving frog. Oh. Wait times are not bad. Actually, it's kind of empty. Step one today. think that's that way. And what it's looking like. Let's go see the Grinch. It's King Julian. My God, where's Mort? It is! Oh my God, there he is. There he is. Yeah. Oh my God, look at you! Oh my God,
Oh, the hoop tube! I love it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hashtag. Very important.
Thank you.
I bet you do.
Yeah.
This one's a cinch. He's mean. He's green, and we call him the Grinch. And he chuckled and chuckled. What a great Grinchy trick. With this coat and this hat, I look just like Saint Nick instead. And he called his dog Max. And he took some red thread, and he tied a big horn on the top of his head. Then he loaded some bags and some old empty sacks.
Okay, we are lined to meet the Grinch. It is only 30 minutes. Yeah, sing it. Yeah, it's a 30-minute wait to meet the Grinch, and that's where we are.
I'm on your back. That means I get to keep it, right?
Yeah. I'm a big fan.
You're a big fan?
Yeah.
Who's a bigger fan, you or you?
Me.
You? All right, show me.
That I'm a big fan.
Yeah, and go.
Well, you can look at my backpack.
All right, that's it.
Invitation of you?
Yes, all right. How well do you know me? All right. What's your name?
Ashley.
Ashley. Let's see if you can spell it with like ready. Hello. Wow, you don't know me at all. Wow. Fail. Epic fail. Say Grinchmas. Say strangers. All right, now you come over here.
Now best friends, right?
Best friends? We're not best friends. You won't leave me alone, right?
Yeah.
All right, fine. Best friends. Now, come on, you. Over here.
Your turn.
Ow.
After a much longer wait than 30 minutes, like the sign had said, we met the Grinch, and it was kind of traumatizing for May. I'll insert the clip here. I will. I'll insert the clip. I had fun. I got stage fright and completely forgot everything I knew about the Grinch, considering I absolutely love him, because I have my backpack. I absolutely love him, and completely blanked, and he literally traumatized May.
He literally burped in my face.
Yeah, he did. So Grinch of him. And then we met Max the dog, who's a cutie pie, and he put his paw on my arm, and that was the best moment of my whole life so far. And now we're going to try some of the treats here in the Jubilation celebration. We also have seen a lot of Who's. What's his name? Jizzy? Fizzy? He has little pom-poms, and and we saw Martha May and a lot of other people. So let's try these. Okay, quiet on set. So let's try these snackaroos.
Dizzy, too fizzy.
It's Martha May and the mayor. She keeps going between the mayor and the Grinch. So like her. We asked her, May asked her if she had a nose job, and she said she doesn't work jobs, she just exists, which is so real. That is so real. There's a lemonade. There's a Make It Snappy Santa something drink, and then there's some of the treats over there. We got the Grinch's Heart lemonade, and it has, my hand is blocking, and it has a little light as his heart, and 3 hearts up here because his heart grew three sizes. Okay, so we have the Grinch's Heart lemonade. It's green, has a little blinky heart in it, and has like 3 little gummies. Let's give it a try. Yum. It's like green apple lemonade. It's really good. With the pass, it was like $7.40 something. And I paid with cash, so it's not real money.
May and the other one.
Oh my God!
Yeah, Ashley.
Oh, you remembered! You remembered!
Time's up.
No! There's Donkey in his little holiday getup. Shrek in his little holiday sweater. And Fiona. Cute. We've already seen one big green beast today. We do not need to go see another.
Facts.
Oh my God, here he is. The king himself. King Julian. Next stop, Holiday at Hogsmeade. Okay, I'm filming. Go. Look how pretty and snowy. One time I was on a date here and a man started crying. I'll never forget that. Sorry to that man. It was a memorable date at least. The drink's really good. The Hogwarts Journey ride doesn't have a wait, so we're just putting my bag in a locker and we're jumping on. Look at the pretty lights. And that's it for Universal today. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. We got traumatized by the Grinch today. I lied, I just wanted to say Christmas Tree Farm is playing. That's all. Last clip of the night, I swear. We had to play this banger on the way home. Sing it, JB! Here we go! Hey everyone, so it is a few days later. I wanted to come on and update you a little bit and end this vlog. First of all, look at these beautiful Christmas flowers I have. I just got back from the gym. I'm trying to decide what to have for dinner. I've been trying to be healthier lately, and so that includes a couple of things, and that is including trying not to eat out. For the next 3 months, I am going to try not to spend money on unnecessary things, and you can check out a series I'm doing with outfits on my TikTok and on my YouTube shorts. Where I'm just trying not to overconsume and not buy things I need. I literally have so many clothes in my closet, so I need to wear what I have, and so that's been going on. I'm gonna do that probably. I'm gonna post about that all of December, and then after it'll just be sporadic. So I'm trying not to spend money on things like clothes, things I just don't need. And then I'm trying not to eat out as much, so I'm giving myself like 1 day a week that I can eat out. The rest I'd like to try to make dinner at home. Today is one of those days, so I have to figure out what I can have here. I'm gonna start with these little baby potatoes that I have and go from there with dinner, but I'm gonna make it happen. I will not spend money on dinner tonight. You watch. The third thing I'm trying to do is I'm trying to go to the gym at least 3 days a week. I have a little competition going on with my friend where all of December we're trying to go to the gym at least, or a workout, not necessarily the gym because we take dance classes, but work out 3 times a week. The person who goes the least amount or doesn't do the 3 a week at the end of the month owes the other one Chick-fil-A, and it'll just be a fun little thing. So I'm working on that. So I'm trying to get back to like a healthy routine. I just have been feeling off, and I think this is going to help with that. But I just wanted to give a little update on that. Again, go check out my socials. I'm posting every day on there. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little vlog, and I hope you enjoyed seeing Grinchmas. It literally was so funny. I like got stage fright, so I like didn't get to show how much of a fan I really am, but the Grinch is hilarious. And I'm glad I have my Universal pass, which is why I could go, because I only spent $8 when I went because of my pass. So thankful for that. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you guys next week for another one. Bye.